Have you ever wondered how to achieve naturally fuller, plumper lips without resorting to fillers, injections, or lip plumping glosses that often provide only temporary results? If so, you're not alone. Many people seek ways to enhance their lips naturally, looking for holistic and long-lasting solutions that not only improve lip fullness, but also promote overall facial muscle tone and health. One of the best and most effective methods to achieve this is through face yoga, a natural, non-invasive technique that strengthens, tones, and rejuvenates the facial muscles, including those around your lips. Face yoga has gained immense popularity among beauty enthusiasts and holistic wellness practitioners because it offers visible, sustainable results while requiring nothing more than dedication and consistency. By performing a series of targeted exercises, you can enhance circulation, promote collagen production, and ultimately give your lips a naturally plumper, healthier appearance. So, if you are eager to get started on this journey to achieving fuller lips naturally, here are 3 of the best face yoga exercises that can help you achieve just that. The first exercise, known as the lip pout lift, is designed to strengthen the muscles around your lips and define your Cupid's bow, giving your lips a more sculpted and voluminous look. To perform this exercise, start by puckering your lips as if you are about to blow a kiss. Hold this position for a few seconds, allowing the muscles to engage and work. This action targets the orbicularis oris, the circular muscle around your lips that is responsible for their shape and firmness. By consistently performing this exercise, you can gradually tone the area and create a naturally lifted effect, making your lips appear fuller and more defined. Regular repetition of this exercise will not only give your lips a plumper look, but also help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles around your mouth, keeping your lips looking youthful and smooth. Another powerful exercise that contributes to natural lip fullness is the smile and suck technique. This exercise is particularly effective in enhancing blood circulation in the lips, which in turn improves their natural color and plumpness. To practice this technique, begin by smiling gently while keeping your lips closed. As you maintain the smile, suck your cheeks inward and hold this position for several seconds before releasing. This movement engages multiple facial muscles, including those surrounding the lips and cheeks, providing a subtle lifting effect. Over time, performing this exercise regularly can enhance the overall definition of your lips, giving them a naturally fuller and more luscious appearance. Additionally, increased circulation results in a rosier lip color, eliminating the need for lip tints or stains to achieve that healthy, flushed look. The third highly effective face yoga exercise for plumper lips is the O-shaped stretch. This exercise works by stretching and toning the muscles around your lips and cheeks, helping to create a naturally voluminous effect. To perform this exercise, shape your lips into an exaggerated O and hold this position for several seconds. The stretching motion helps activate and engage the muscles, promoting improved elasticity and firmness in the lip area. This technique is particularly beneficial for those who may have lost some lip volume over time due to aging, as it helps counteract sagging and keeps the lips looking firm and youthful. By incorporating this exercise into your daily routine, you can gradually achieve a plumper lip shape while also benefiting from the added toning effects on the surrounding facial muscles. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. One of the key benefits of face yoga is that it does not involve any external treatments, making it an excellent natural alternative for those who wish to avoid chemical or surgical interventions. Unlike lip fillers, which can sometimes create an unnatural or overdone look, face yoga enhances your natural beauty by working with your own muscles and circulation to bring out the best version of your lips. Additionally, face yoga contributes to overall facial harmony by improving muscle tone and elasticity, helping to maintain a youthful and fresh appearance. In addition to performing these exercises regularly, there are a few other natural methods that can further enhance the effects of face yoga and promote lip fullness. One of the most important factors in maintaining healthy, plump lips is hydration. Lips tend to lose moisture quickly, especially in dry or cold climates, leading to a shriveled or thin appearance. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day helps keep your lips hydrated from within, making them appear naturally fuller and softer. Applying natural lip oils or balms, such as coconut oil, almond oil, or shea butter, can also help lock in moisture and prevent dryness, ensuring that your lips remain supple and smooth. Another complementary practice is lip massage, which can be done using your fingertips or a soft bristled toothbrush. Gently massaging your lips for a few minutes each day stimulates blood flow and encourages the natural production of collagen, which helps to maintain lip volume and elasticity. Exfoliating your lips once or twice a week with a natural lip scrub made of sugar and honey can also help remove dead skin cells and improve circulation, giving your lips a naturally plumper and more youthful appearance. A balanced diet also plays a crucial role in maintaining lip health and fullness. Consuming foods rich in vitamins and essential fatty acids, such as avocados, nuts, and leafy greens, provides your body with the necessary nutrients to keep your lips looking their best. Vitamin C, in particular, is essential for collagen production, so incorporating citrus fruits, berries, and bell peppers into your diet can contribute to firmer, more voluminous lips over time. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in foods like salmon, flax seeds, and walnuts, help maintain skin elasticity and hydration, further enhancing the appearance of your lips. By combining face yoga with these additional lip care practices, you can achieve naturally plumper lips without the need for invasive treatments. The key to success with face yoga lies in consistency. Just as you would exercise your body to maintain strength and tone, your facial muscles require regular engagement to achieve and maintain results. Setting aside a few minutes each day to perform these exercises can lead to noticeable improvements in lip fullness and overall facial appearance over time. The beauty of face yoga is that it is a holistic, all-natural approach that not only enhances your lips, but also contributes to overall skin and muscle health, leaving you with a more radiant, youthful look. So, if you've ever wished for naturally fuller lips, but have been hesitant about artificial enhancements, face yoga offers an effective and completely natural solution. By incorporating simple yet powerful exercises such as the lip pout lift, the smile and suck, and the O-shaped stretch into your daily routine, you can achieve beautiful, plumper lips while also improving the overall tone and elasticity of your facial muscles. With dedication and patience, you will start to see results that enhance your natural beauty, making your lips look fuller, healthier, and more youthful without the need for injections or cosmetic procedures. Give these exercises a try today and embrace the journey to naturally plumper, more vibrant lips. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.